best thing is about seeing how people engage with it. We start off in Bangor on the Saturday with a public performance by the town clock. And that attracts people. The noise, it's colourful, people are moving around. It's taken place across two major cities in North Wales. We've got Bangor and we've got Wrexham.
Black History Month is really, really important because it brings the culture of many different nationalities together, holding hands and singing in the street. So it's fabulous. It's a fabulous event.
It just brings people together. Nobody says no. Everybody says yes.
The launch of Black History Month taking place at Pobol is absolutely fantastic.
You don't have to have a dead-end job. You don't have to stand at dead end of rock. You don't have to waste your time getting high. Use your mind and strive and use your body and drive. Tell yourself the truth and don't lie. Because in this thing called life, you don't get to go twice.
We have stories of Welsh families settling in India, in Africa, in North America, South America, just the same that people have settled here. And it's a way of celebrating the communities that have come to live here.
We are so diverse and I think everybody deserves their spot to show their culture.
É muito bom ver as pessoas unidas numa história que é africana, portuguesa e de muitas outras culturas juntas. É bom ter uma organização toda juntas, podemos mostrar o que nós fazemos.
Uma união e divertido também.
How would the people of Wrexham or of Bangor know that there's people from Somalia, from Nigeria, from Jamaica, from Trinidad, from Sao Tome, all living within their communities? And this is their chance to celebrate those communities and get those people to join in as well.
I've just produced one of Nigeria's favorite dish, which is jollof rice, tomato rice, and it's vegetarian.
We should be doing this more often, not just with African community, but with all the communities.
Gosto muito. Danço em casa, com meus filhos e faz parte da nossa cultura também dançar, né? A dança.
It's the way we can come together as a community.
I think it's one of the best way of showing that we care about others.
Black community is being recognized, not just for we, but for our children and for the surrounding.
We can celebrate what is our culture, our roots. So it's been very, very important for us to celebrate Black History Month.
But when it comes to a time of representing Black Africa and Black History Month, I feel like it's deep rooted in me to come and perform.
There's a huge momentum for Black History Month all over Wales at the moment. Each year we are getting more and more towns, villages across the whole of Wales joining in. Hundreds of events are taking place each month, within October every year. It's fantastic.